10 herbs that kill viruses fast and clear mucus. Different viruses and bacteria are the main culprits for thousands of deaths every year. And what's more, antibiotics are not effective in treating the problem in many cases. This being said, there is a need of turning to potent natural remedies that have no side effects. There are a lot of herbal solutions that can better the health of the lungs by treating infections and damage. In today's video, let's have a look at those amazing 10 herbs that can kill viruses fast and clear mucus. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe and bell icon. When we discover the term antiviral, it's easy to skip to the conclusion that they act just like pharmaceutical antibiotic medications. In other words, if you have an infection, then you take something to kill the pathogens. But herbal antivirals don't work that way. They simply can't work like pharmaceuticals. Rather than killing viral cells, what herbal antivirals can do is restrain the virus from attaching to your cell walls or inhibit the replication of the virus once it goes into your cells. This herbal help can give your immune system the upper hand to clean up the rest of the infection. Let's have a look at those 10 herbs that can kill viruses at speed and clear mucus. Cannabis. An abundance of studies have shown that cannabis is one of the most beneficial anti-cancer plants in the world. It is known to stimulate the cannabinoid receptor activation in specific genes and mediate the anti-invasive effects of cannabinoids. When vaporized, it allows the active ingredients to encourage the body's natural immune response and decreases the spreading of infections. When you vaporize cannabis, the lungs and sinuses open up, similarly to what a bronchodilator does. This is also a proven method for management and treatment of asthma. Peppermint. Peppermint and peppermint oil are rich in menthol, which can relax the muscles of the respiratory tract and contribute to a freer breathing. When combined with antihistamine effect of peppermint, menthol works as a great decongestant. Peppermint is a beneficial antioxidant that can fight off harmful organisms as well. Sage. Sage essential oil is traditionally used as a cure for sore throat and cough. By inhaling sage tea's vapors, you can easily treat lung disorders and sinusitis. Also, a member of the mint family, sage is an aromatic herb that has long been used in traditional medicine to treat viral infections. Oregano. Oregano is a popular herb in the mint family that's known for its impressive medicinal qualities. Its plant compounds, which include carvacrol, offer antiviral properties. Oregano contains compounds which are natural decongestants and histamine reducers, and they have a direct positive influence on the respiratory tract and nasal passage. Moreover, oregano essential oil can treat Staphylococcus aureus better than antibiotic treatments. Eucalyptus. Aborigines, Australians, Germans and Americans have been using the aroma of eucalyptus to better the health of the respiratory system and to alleviate throat irritation. This is why eucalyptus is often present in cough syrups. Cineole, a compound in eucalyptus, can offer relief from coughing and fighting off congestion and soothe irritated sinuses. Plantain. The plantain leaf has been used for hundreds of years to relieve cough and soothe irritated mucous membranes. Its active compounds have antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antitoxic properties. According to clinical trials, it is great against colds, irritated lungs, and coughing. It can also encourage the production of mucus and treat dry cough. Ginger. Ginger can be used as a natural decongestant and antihistamine. Antiviral and antibacterial properties of ginger can help in easing congestion in the chest by drying out excess mucus and stimulating removal of its buildup. Drinking ginger tea for a few minutes in a day can help in eliminating excess mucus. Garlic. Garlic can be used as a natural expectorant which can help in breaking down phlegm buildup. Antimicrobial properties of garlic can help in fighting viral, fungal, and bacterial infections which causes respiratory glands to produce more phlegm. Including more garlic in your diet can help in eliminating excess phlegm from the body. Licorice. This is one of the most consumed herbs in the whole world. Licorice can soften the mucous membranes of the throat, but those of the lungs and stomach as well. It will also detox inflamed mucous membranes. Licorice can also lower irritated throat and soften the phlegm in the respiratory tract so that the body can remove it easily. Moreover, it is great in reducing bronchial spasms and in blocking free radical cells that tighten and inflame the airways. Also, it can prevent the formation of lung cancer cells. Lobelia. This plant is considered to be one of the most powerful herbal remedies available. Its extracts have lobelia, which have been proven effective in treating tumor cells. Lobelia is an alkaloid that thins mucus and breaks up congestion. It will also stimulate the adrenal glands to secrete epinephrine, relax the airways, and ease the breathing. Since the plant can relax the muscles, many drug manufacturers use it in their cough and cold remedies. Viruses are very tiny germs. They are made of genetic material inside of a protein coating. Viruses cause familiar infectious diseases such as the common cold, flu, and warts. They can also have severe illnesses such as HIV/AIDS, Ebola, and COVID-19. Viruses are like hijackers. They invade living normal cells and use those cells to multiply and produce other viruses like themselves. This can kill, damage, or change the cell and make you sick. Different viruses attack certain cells in your body, such as your liver, respiratory system, or blood. When you get a virus, you may not always get sick from it. Your immune system may be able to fight it off. For most viral infections, treatments can only help with symptoms while you wait for your immune system to fight off the virus. Antibiotics do not work for viral infections. There are antiviral medicines to treat some viral infections. Vaccines can help prevent you from getting many viral diseases. One best tip is to treat it with easy herbal herbs as mentioned. Antiviral herbs inhibit the development of viruses. Many of the best antiviral herbs boost the immune system, which allows the body to attack viral pathogens. This can be even better than attacking specific pathogens, which antiviral drugs are designed to do, because pathogens mutate over time and become less susceptible to treatment. Not only do antiviral herbs fight viral infections, boost the immune system, and work as flu natural remedies, but they have a number of other health benefits such as cardiovascular, digestive, and anti-inflammatory support. Whereas phlegm is a kind of mucus which is produced in lungs and lower respiratory tract. It is most noticeable when a person is unwell or has a long-standing health condition. Mucus is formed in some parts of the body, even when a person is unwell. It protects these areas from drying out and helps the body defend against foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. Some mucus is required for a healthy body, but too much of it can be caused because of infections such as common cold or flu, irritation in nose, throat, or lungs, allergies, gastroesophageal reflux disease, smoking, or lung diseases like pneumonia, COPD, lung cancer, and cystic fibrosis. Some effective ways of keeping mucus under control include keeping the air around you moist, drinking plenty of fluids, not suppressing cough, spitting out excess phlegm, salt water gargle, and taking the right medicines, to name a few. However, some home remedies for getting rid of excess phlegm can be more effective in terms of getting relief and easing the breathing process for the patient. Herbs have been used as natural remedies since ancient times. Common kitchen herbs such as basil, sage, and oregano, as well as lesser-known herbs like astragalus and sambucus, have powerful antiviral effects against numerous viruses that cause infections in humans. It's easy to add these powerful herbs to your diet by using them in your favorite recipes or making them into teas. Use these herbs in your daily life routine to get rid of viruses fast and clean your mucus in the best manner. Let us know down in the comments about the herbs you use and benefits gained from them. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier, easier, and beautiful life.